Do you know that every person's life is filled with challenges and struggles? Have you ever thought that success does not come only from hard work and talent, but from the struggles one endures on their journey? Today, we will talk about a book that has inspired new hope and strength worldwide, Becoming by Michelle Obama. Are you ready to move toward great success in your life? If so, let's begin by understanding the invaluable experiences from this book. Chapter 1, Shaping Michelle's Early Years. When Michelle Obama was young, she faced the same struggles that we all feel at some point. Will I ever achieve something great? Will my hard work and dreams ever become a reality? These questions, which arise in every young person's heart from time to time, were also a part of Michelle's life. Her parents, who were ordinary people with very limited resources, still inspired their children to pursue the highest levels of education and chase their dreams. They instilled in them the belief that no matter the circumstances, if we work hard and believe in our dreams, we can overcome any difficulty. Their message was, you can achieve anything you want, just chase your dreams. This belief became Michelle's guiding force, always pushing her toward her goals. Her father, a hardworking and determined man, always taught Michelle and her siblings, you have the power to do whatever you want. This lesson stayed with her throughout her life, preventing her from ever feeling weak. This faith and inspiration gave Michelle the strength to move forward even during the toughest times. Her struggles, her dedication, and her parents' teachings taught her that real change begins within oneself, and that change helped her reach the heights she did. Michelle's life was never easy, but she never gave up. She prepared herself and her family to overcome every challenge. This was her true strength, the ability to face any difficulty with hope and courage. Fact: Michelle Obama grew up in South Side Chicago, a neighborhood known for social and economic struggles. According to research, about 20% of families in this area lived below the poverty line. Despite this, Michelle's parents never let their children feel deprived. They always encouraged them toward higher education, ensuring they could achieve something great in life. This is why Michelle chose to shape her identity through education. And today, she is an inspiration to the world. Chapter 2, The Road to Princeton and Harvard. Michelle's journey was never easy, and one of her first major challenges came when she was admitted to Princeton University. During this time, she faced not just mental pressures but also physical and social struggles. After joining this prestigious university, Michelle realized she was a minority student. Students like her were very few. She also noticed that making a place for herself among the majority white students was not going to be easy. She encountered discrimination, inequality, and prejudice, which are difficult for anyone to endure. She was compared to students from elite families who had endless resources. This could have shaken her confidence. But she accepted it as part of her journey and determined to prove herself no matter what. She told herself, true strength lies in recognizing your weaknesses and overcoming them. This became her guiding principle, constantly motivating her. She asked herself, can I face these challenges? And the answer was yes. She understood that her identity, struggles, and dreams made her unique. This mindset gave her the strength to move forward. Michelle proved that with confidence and dedication, anyone can overcome their limitations. When Michelle joined Harvard Law School, the challenges became even greater. The environment was even more competitive. And once again, she had to establish herself as a minority student. At Harvard, She realized that success doesn't come just from books and test scores, it also depends on your mindset, understanding, and perspective. She learned that if you are determined to prove yourself, any situation can be turned into an opportunity. Michelle understood that the biggest lesson in life is that true success is achieved by staying true to your beliefs. When she entered Harvard, she deeply felt the competitive pressure, but she never gave up. She realized that success is not only about talent and effort, but also about how you transform setbacks into victories through confidence and perseverance. Fact: at Harvard Law School, only 10% of students were African American. In this challenging situation, Michelle worked hard to establish her identity. It was a big deal for her to reach a place where very few people looked like her. Despite the mental and social struggles, she proved herself and made her mark. This was a crucial turning point in her life, teaching her that true success comes only after overcoming struggles and hardships. Chapter 3: Becoming a Leader. Michelle always felt that sometimes in life, we lose our way, and no matter how hard we try, we don't see results. In difficult times, everything can seem negative and impossible, but Michelle believed, whenever life doesn't show you a path, you must create one yourself. This was her mindset, which always gave her the motivation to overcome difficulties. When Michelle started working in public service, she realized that success in this field was never easy. As an African American woman, she constantly faced challenges. Would she be able to establish herself in this field? Would people take her seriously in public service? Everyone must ask themselves, can I prove myself in this field? And for Michelle, every step of the way, she had to prove that she belonged there just as much as anyone else. When you are expected to outperform others at every step, making your mark can be incredibly tough. But Michelle learned that true leaders are not just those who succeed themselves, they lift others along the way. Her journey was never easy. She never needed to explain how hard it was for women and African Americans to prove themselves in this profession. Her struggle was a deep learning experience when people viewed her through the lens of bias and inequality. Challenging them and standing up for her beliefs became another great battle. But Michelle always believed, if no one shows you the way, then create your own path. This belief gave her the courage to prove herself. She also realized that true leadership does not come from power or authority, but from helping and inspiring others. A leader's job is not just to achieve personal success, but to guide and uplift those around them. Michelle always believed, your leadership is most effective when you make others a part of your journey. This inspired her to always help others, understand their struggles, and pave the way for them to achieve their dreams. She also learned that a leader should never be afraid of self-doubt and fear. As she advanced in her public service career, she had to make some of the toughest decisions of her life. It was not easy, and at every step, she had to prove to herself and others that her decisions were right. True leadership is about accepting mistakes, learning from them, and moving forward. Michelle's journey became a source of deep inspiration and personal growth because she was working every day to bring positive change to people's lives. She realized that real change doesn't just come from actions, it comes from a leader's mindset and approach. Her belief that true leadership is about inspiring and helping others became the most important lesson of her life. It wasn't just a principle, it became a way of life. She understood that when you inspire others, make them part of your journey, and guide them to success, that is the true essence of leadership. This belief helped Michelle overcome many challenges. And today, She stands as an icon of strength, perseverance, and leadership. Chapter 4: The White House and Beyond. After Michelle and Barack Obama became President and First Lady, Michelle found herself in a position that she had never imagined, not just a place of power but also one of great responsibility and self discovery. Every day in the White House was a journey of recognizing her inner strength and using it to inspire others. She realized that being in this position was not just about power. It was about dignity, perseverance, and making her voice heard in meaningful ways. When Michelle and Barack entered the White House, it wasn't just a political milestone, it was a new life, a new perspective, and a new responsibility. The challenges that came with this role were immense, requiring careful decisions and unwavering confidence. Yet, Michelle never lost her sense of self. She believed in staying true to who she was, saying, "You have to be honest with yourself, and that honesty will lead to success." This belief became the foundation that helped her face every challenge head on. Whether it was attending public events or handling personal matters, Michelle firmly believed that true success comes from self acceptance and authenticity. During her years in the White House, she saw how power and prestige could sometimes distance people from their roots. But she knew that staying connected to her identity was the key to overcoming any obstacle. She refused to be confined by political expectations or societal pressures. Instead, she remained true to herself as a woman, an African American, a wife, a mother, and a person dedicated to her family and community. Life in the White House also taught Michelle that, as a public figure, every action and decision was closely scrutinized. The world watched her every move, analyzed her choices, and even speculated about her personal life. Amidst this pressure, she remained committed to speaking the truth and being an inspiration, showing that women, regardless of their background, could have a powerful and influential voice. Michelle's years in the White House shaped not only her public identity but also strengthened her personal values. She learned that when you are true to yourself, the world responds positively. Self confidence and integrity were her greatest strengths, guiding her through the most demanding moments of her journey. This chapter captures the emotions and challenges Michelle faced while living in the White House. She addressed global issues while also ensuring her family remained grounded. More than just a political figure, she became a role model, proving that true strength lies in self awareness and unwavering belief in one's roots. Michelle's message was clear: to walk the path of success, you must first understand and accept yourself. Her time in the White House shaped her not just as a leader but as a human being. Today, her experiences continue to inspire millions, reminding us that when we embrace our true selves and take pride in our identity, no challenge is too great. Chapter 5: Empowerment and Legacy. Michelle always believed that every individual has the right to discover their voice and identity. This belief was the foundation of her journey. She emphasized that a person's true value lies in self-awareness and self-acceptance. When we understand who we are and embrace our uniqueness, we gain the strength to navigate life's challenges. She firmly believed that chasing dreams and believing in oneself are the key factors that help people rise above difficulties, no matter the circumstances. Recognizing one's inner power is the first step toward overcoming struggles. Throughout her life, Michelle demonstrated that confidence and a positive mindset are the most powerful tools for success. She taught that fear is often our greatest enemy, and overcoming it allows us to unlock our full potential. Her experiences proved that true strength comes from self-acceptance and relentless pursuit of one's dreams. The journey is never easy. But Michelle never gave up. Her book Becoming is more than just an autobiography. It is a message of empowerment. It teaches that everyone has the ability to achieve greatness if they let go of fear and give their best effort. Michelle not only believed in this principle but also lived by it. Through her life, she demonstrated that success is not just about hard work but also about having the courage to embrace one's true self. Michelle also highlighted that success is not defined by external validation but by internal fulfillment. Achievements are meaningful when they are driven by passion, dedication, and a genuine desire to create change. She learned that great leaders are those who uplift others, helping them reach their full potential. Michelle's life is proof that true leadership is about sharing opportunities, not just achieving personal success. Her story serves as an inspiration for those who doubt their own abilities. She proved that no matter how many obstacles stand in the way, persistence, honesty, and self-belief can lead to extraordinary achievements. Her journey is a testament to the idea that success belongs to those who never give up. No matter how tough the road gets, Michelle's life journey demonstrates that empowerment is not just a concept but a continuous process. It begins when we recognize our strengths, overcome our fears, and work tirelessly to achieve our dreams. She taught that true success is achieved when we remain authentic and view challenges as opportunities for growth. Her story is not just inspiring, it is a lesson in leadership, resilience, and empowerment. Michelle's struggles, hard work, and vision remind us that we all have the power to shape our own stories and achieve greatness. What inspired you the most? What did you find most inspiring about becoming? Have you ever realized that success isn't just about working hard but also about understanding yourself? Did you connect with the message of this book? Let us know in the comments. Also, which book summary would you like to see next? We look forward to your suggestions. Every book has a message. Becoming teaches us that we all have the power to shape our own success stories. Are you ready to start your journey?